Mga 10 grams yata yung nakita ko doon eh. Hello guys, it's me Miles. Welcome to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to make a DIY hair treatment, and I'm gonna tell you what we need before we start. I've read and heard so many good things about ginger for hair. It's said to boost blood flow to help hair grow, fight dandruff and itchiness, soothe the scalp, strengthen roots to reduce hair fall, and make her healthier and shinier. But honestly, this is my first time ever using this treatment, so I'm not sure exactly how it will turn out. I'm really excited to try it with you guys and see the results. So what we need, of course, ginger. This is the main character of this video. And grater and strainer. Ang laki ng strainer ko, di ba? And bowl and the 250 ml or 8 fluid ounces, 1 cup of water. Yan lang ang kailangan natin. And syempre, hot water, not boiling water, hot water. Kasi yun lang ilalagay natin sa ano. Kung napapansin nyo, Taglish ang ginagawa ko kasi meron tayong viewers sa hindi lang sa Pilipinas. So, I'm trying my best. Naka-on naman yung subtitle dyan. So, in case lang, if you want to understand what I'm saying in English, since I'm speaking Filipino, just turn on the CC on the right side. Yes, here. On the right side of the screen, so you can choose English there and it will translate everything I say, okay? Pero mostly Tagalog po ako komportable magsalita. And to all my viewers from other countries who are watching, if you want to understand what I'm saying in English, since I'm speaking Filipino, just turn on the CC or closed captions at the right side of the screen and it will translate everything for you, okay? Was 250 ml, ito ay 1 cup. And then, syempre, ang bida ng ating video, ginger. Okay? And bowl. Ang kailangan lang natin na laki, hindi naman lahat to, okay? Gagawa lang tayo ng enough for 5 days to 7 days. Tapos, store natin sa fridge. Ganito. Ayan. Mga 10 grams yata yung nakita ko doon eh. Ang nakalagay kasi doon, 1 thumb size piece of ginger to 1 cup of hot water. Mga ganon kaya. Tapos ipipeel natin siya, hindi natin isasama yung balat. Peel it first and then grate it, okay? You guys, kailangan natin syempre ng bote. Spray bottle to para siya yung gagamitin natin pang spray sa scalp. Okay guys, our ginger is ready. So nag-grate ko na siya at ilalagay na natin siya sa bowl. Ayan, first time kong gawin to kaya nangangapa pa ako. Ayan, tapos lalagay natin ang hot water, not boiling water. Pag nagpapakulo nga pala kayo, bago nyo ilagay sa bowl, wag yung kulong-kulo, not boiling water. Hot water lang, okay? Kasi pag boiling water, yung beneficial ng ginger is medyo nawawala, okay? After boiling, wait kayo ng 3 minutes and then saka nyo i-pour yung hot water sa ginger. Para lang kayo nagtitimpla ng salabat, parang ginger tea, ganyan. This is 8 fluid ounces. Ayan. 1 cup of water. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't cover it. Ngayon, kung nag-iisip naman kayo sa mga alikabok or what, cover nyo lang ng paper towel on the top, but no need to cover it. Okay, to all my English followers talaga, no? After you put the hot water, that is the steeping time. It's like the ginger tea. Leave the ginger and hot water alone in your mug or bowl to mix and infuse. Okay? And then after 15 minutes, I'll be back. Hello guys, I'm back after 15 minutes. Ayan, ano na siya, sa labad na siya, pwede na siya nang inumin. Char. Ayan, pre, doon na, kailangan nyo ng, ang laki ng strainer ko. Kung may maliit-liit kayo, ano, huwag nyo ko gagayahin kasi wala akong maliit na strainer. Salin na natin siya sa ibang bowl. Ayan. Be careful. I-squeeze natin siya para yung juice lumabas. Kung meron kayong, ano, yung parang yung tela, ano ba yun, yung pang, yung pinipisil na telang ganon. Pwede naman. Pwede. Yes. So this is the juice. The juice is ready. So let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes para maisalin nyo siya sa spray bottle or para magamit nyo siya. Huwag nyo siyang gagamitin ng hot sa scalp nyo kasi baka ma-burn kayo. So, hayaan nyo muna siya dyan, iwan nyo muna siya dyan, then after 20 to 30 minutes para mag-cool down siya at saka nyo siya isalin sa, saan yung bote ko? Saka nyo siya isalin sa bote. Just use cotton ball and then section your hair and then put it on your scalp and then massage your scalp 3 to 5 minutes, ganon. Pero mamaya natin gagawin yan. Demo natin yan syempre. Cooling time tayo for my English viewers. After straining the pulp out, leave the liquid sitting on your kitchen counter to cool down. Okay? Mga 20 to 30 minutes. Ay, napatagalog tuloy ako. 20 to 30 minutes, okay? Ito guys na natira, since magagawa pa tayo at saka consistent na gamit ng ginger na to is 4 to 5 weeks daw. Then makikita yung effectiveness. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo i-keep to sa fridge, 2 to 3 weeks only. And then sa freezer is 3 to 4 months. Safe to use yun. If you keep this in the fridge like this, it's good for about 2 to 3 weeks only. And if you want it to last 3 to 4 months, you have to put it in the freezer. That's the safe way. Okay? Hello guys, I'm back after 30 minutes. Maano na siya, malamig na siya at nag-settle. Sa nakikita nyo medyo, ay masyadong malapit, wait. Nag-settle yung ginger sa ilalim. So ang gagawin nyo lang is stir nyo lang ng konti. Then bago nyo isalin sa spray bottle, stir nyo para mag-mix yung nag-settle sa ilalim. Ganda natin siya sa bote. Stir. Dito ako nagtatry palagi. Pag nag-react siya mula or na masyadong matapang, mag-add kayo ng more water pa. Tansya-tansya lang. Ganon, yun lang. Okay. Stir. Habang nag-stir siya. So, ito na yung ating ready-made na ginger for hair growth. Ito try natin siya now na. Halimbawa, gumamit kayo ngayon, and then after you use it, just put it in the fridge, lagay nyo sa ref, and then good for 5 to 7 days to. Lifespan niya is 7 days maximum na yon. So, gawa na lang ulit kayo after that. Okay? So, let's try it out. So, every time you use it, just shake. Kalat yung spray niya eh. Dapat ang spray nyo ganitong spray bottle ang gagamitin nyo. Ayaw nyo nang masyadong kalat. Just pour kayo sa bowl and then dab kayo. Get cotton balls and then dab it to your scalp. But since nandito na tayo, ganito na lang natin. Yan. Natin 5 minutes massage. Let it sit about 20 to 30 minutes max. If you have any carrier oil naman, you can mix the ginger with the carrier oil like this sunflower oil and the coconut oil if you have. Yan. I'm going to use sunflower oil. If you have coconut oil, that is also the best carrier oil. Just mix 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil with 1 tablespoon of ginger. Kasi ginger is very potent, so we use just this amount. Then take a cotton ball, dip it in, then dab it onto your scalp. Then massage it very well. Massage your scalp. If you guys ask me, I prefer it with oil because it's easier to massage the scalp. After you massage your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes, put on a shower cap. Then leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes with a shower cap on. After 30 minutes, go wash it out and shampoo twice. Yun lang. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!